Hello everyone, my name is Kansral. I'm currently studying Master of Marketing, major in marketing. I've been always interested in how brands influence society and our environment, and especially how marketing can be used for positive change. In this presentation, I will share my opinion about green marketing and its ethical dimensions using Nestle, a global food and beverage brand, as an example. When it comes to making decisions as a consumer, I follow a consequentialist approach. I look at the result of companies' behavior, not just their marketing. For me, it matters if a brand's operation helps or harm the planet and society. So when I choose to buy food products, I consider how sustainable is their production. Are they reducing plastic and pollution? Do they treat their workers fairly? If a brand scores low in these areas, I avoid it, no matter how good their ads look. Let's take a look at Nestlé. They've made some green marketing moves in recent years. They plan to make 100% of their packaging recyclable or reusable by 2025, which is a big step. Nestle has introduced plant-based product lines like Garden Gourmet and Sweet Toast, which are better for the environment compared to meat-based options. They also report on carbon dioxide reduction and water usage, showing they're aware of their environmental impact. These steps show that Nestle understands the demand for sustainability and is trying to meet consumer expectations. But these efforts aren't enough. In fact, I believe Nestle often fails to live up its green image. According to global audits, Nestle remains one of the top plastic polluters in the world despite their promises. They've been criticized for extracting water from communities that are already facing drought like California and Africa. Many watchdog groups accuse Nestle of greenwashing using eco-friendly language and packaging design, while continuing harmful practices behind the scenes. In my opinion, Nestle's green marketing is a mix of real progress and missed opportunities. They've taken steps, yes, but too often it feels like the goal is to look green instead of actually being green. That's not ethical marketing. Ethical marketing should mean being honest about both our progress and problems, making real investments in eco-friendly production, working with communities, not exploiting them. So for me, Nestle's current green marketing isn't fully successful. It's a step, but not the kind of leadership the planet needs from such a huge company. Looking ahead to my career in marketing, I want to be a part of positive change. That means working with companies that genuinely care about people and the planet, creating campaigns that educate customers and inspire ethical choices, making sure brands are transparent, not just trendy. I believe that if more marketers stand up for ethics, we can create a better business, a better world. To conclude, I think Nestle is trying, but their green marketing still has a long way to go. In my opinion, it's not enough to look sustainable. Brands have to be sustainable in every part of their business. As future marketers, we must push for honesty, responsibility, and positive impact. Because marketing isn't just about selling, it's about shaping values and the future. Thank you all your for attention.